Okay. Jai Hind students. So today we are going to learn a new topic, that is lines and angles. So first we need to understand what do you mean by line. Line means, let me draw here, then it will be easy for you. There is two types of representation. Can you tell me which one is line? So second one, which has no endpoint, that is known as line, and this is known as your line segment. First one is known as your line segment, and second one is known as your line segment, which has two endpoint. Line segment has no endpoint. Now after that, let us start completing that. So now we are going to learn about the lines and angles. So what does it lines and angle indicate? So there are different types of line, we can say. That is known as straight line, curved line, it will be. So in our chapter we are going to discuss about the parallel lines first, and let it be here second. This is known as parallel line. Parallel line. Next, same it can be the topic. It is known as your intersecting lines. If it is parallel, then it will never intersect. These two lines will never join each other. Let me give the names. Let me give the line A, L, line M. This line L, line M. If both are parallel lines, then both the lines will never intersect with each other. After that, next, suppose the same line I am intersecting here. Let it be L, let it be M. If it is not parallel, then it will intersect at some point. And this point is known as intersecting point, and this type of lines is known as intersecting line. Intersecting lines. These types of lines is known as intersecting lines. Now let us move to our syllabus. That what does it indicate? After that, one more topic is there, that is angles. Let me explain you what does angles mean. Angles means between two ray. Means between two ray, one common point should be there, and this one is known as angle. This one first ray, second ray, and this is your angle. The between two points, means this point is known as vertex. This point we call as a vertex, and this one is known as ray 1. This one, let it be R1. The second one is known as ray 2. Two rays are there, R1 and R2. Ray means what? Which has only one endpoint. Now let us start our syllabus, lines and angles. Now this we are going to discuss about that. That is first line. Let it be second line. Let me give the name, that is line L and line M. These two lines are parallel lines. Now second line that is going to pass through, that is known as your transversal line. L, M and N. This line is known as your transversal line. Let me write here. That is known as your transversal. Transversal line. Now as you are able to see here the clear picture, let me explain you by the help of example. Let me write here. This can you say as angle? Yes. Because the vertex is there, I told you two ray. Here vertex is there and two ray is going to pass. So this angle I can say. Second, this also I can say, because here is common vertex and two rays are passing. This slide also I can say as angle, because vertex is there. Vertex is common point and two rays are passing. Here also I can say similarly, this point also, here, this one, and let it be here also, because all have common vertex and two rays are passing over there. Now after that, let me indicate with the help of example. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4. After let it be 5, 6, 7, 8. It's given over there. Now as you are able to see here, I have given the different names over there. Now as you are able to see that it is clear crystal here. Now let me indicate what does it indicate. First, as you are able to see here, we say as the same pictorial form, we say as an interior angle. Interior angles. We will say as a name. Interior angle, what does it indicate? So 4, 3, 5, 6. So let me write here the angle 4, angle 3, angle 5, angle 6. It indicates the interior angle. Next topic, interior. After the next topic will be exterior. Exterior angle. Exterior angle will be interior. How I selected? Between L and M, means between two parallel lines, what are the angles that is inside? Between two parallel lines, what are the angles that is inside? That is known as interior. Next will be the exterior, means outside of this parallel line, what are the angles? So what will the angle? 1, 2, 8 and 7. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 8, and we can say angle 7. Angle 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 8 and 7, that is exterior. After that, now what the mathematician found out, that there are certain relations among that angles. So let us learn one by one. First one is known as your corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Now corresponding angles indicates first 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 4 is gap. Next 2 and 6. In between that 1, 3 will be there. 4, 8, 3, 7. These angles is known as your corresponding. Now sir, what does it indicate? What is the benefit of finding out the corresponding angle is that we can say which is equal. Corresponding angles will be every time equal. So let me write here corresponding angle. Angle, we can say angle 5 will be always equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Next property I can say angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Next property I can say angle 4 is equal to angle 8. I can say next term, that is angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. This is known as corresponding angle and it will be equal every time. Next we definitely will see the numerical on it, so it will be crystal clear for you. This is known as corresponding. After that the topic will come alternate. Now alternate is also divided into two parts. First one is known as your interior, alternate interior angle, and next part is going to be your exterior. Alternate interior, alternate exterior. Now alternate interior means 4, 6. Interior how I selected, I told you, between two lines whatever the angles are there, that is known as interior. Now whatever outside of the parallel line, that is known as exterior. So angle 4, angle 6. Now interior, I will say angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Next angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Next angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Now exterior, outside I will check. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Next I can say angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. This is known as exterior. Alternate interior angle will be this. Alternate exterior angle will be this one. So after that, up to here I think it is crystal clear for you that how every angles I am taking equal. Now after that, now the topic will come angle on the same transversal axis. One property is there. Before that, let me explain you that up to here I believe it is clear. Now one more property is that angle on the same side, that will be transversal, that will be your we can say supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means we have learned two angles, if I add I will get 180 degree, then we care as a supplementary angle. Now angle 4 plus angle 5. This is important because maximum question you can expect. Angle 4 plus angle 5 will be your 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 5, same side, that will be your 4 plus 5, 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 1. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. This also. First one also, this is 180 degree. Angle 3 plus 6 is equal to also 180 degree. Both the sides we can say it is 180 degree. Means angle on the same transversal side, it is one side, then it we can say as a 180 degree. Up to here I believe it is clear. Now apart from that, let us start. I think it is little bit clear with you every topic, and after that one more common topic it will come. Lower standard basically we are learning about that. That is known as your vertically opposite angle. Vertical opposite, OPP, opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Basically it is normal. Vertically opposite angle means what? Vertically opposite angle. That is known as angle 1 will be always equal to angle 3. Angle 1 will be always equal to angle 3. Means this is parallel lines whenever, and when the vertically opposite angles will act, later we discuss first. Vertically opposite angle, as you are able to see here, this is known as your intersecting lines. In the intersecting line, always remember, in intersecting line it should be straight line, not curved line. Straight line is intersecting. This angle will be always equal to opposite, or this angle will be equal to this one, and next this angle will be equal to this one. In the same way, it is going to follow in all our parts, as you are able to see here. Where is the intersecting? How many intersecting lines are there? 2. First and second. Now here you can see the 1 and 3 will be equal, 4 and 2 will be equal, opposite. So I can write here angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. First from top L line, second from M line, what I can say? Angle 5 is equal to angle 7. And next I can say angle 8 is equal to angle 6. This is known as vertically opposite angle. This is the most important topic that you will get in your examination. Now let us learn from this any important. Let's solve the numerical so it will be crystal clear for you. So let us start. The first question, as you are able to see. This question it is provided. This angle they are mentioning that 2x plus 15 degree, and second this angle they are providing as 3x minus 20 degree. Sorry, outside degree. Now they are provided like that. Find the value of x. Find x. Find the value of x. Now, how I am going to solve this question? So already I told you, as you are about to see here. Now let me relate with this figure. Now 2 and 6. What is the name 2 and 6? I can say it is a corresponding array. 2 and 6. What is the property? It will be equal. Now let us start. Then it will be a 2x plus 15 is equal to 3x minus 20. These two angles will be equal. Now let us start. How to solve that? Like terms I will bring one side. 2x plus 15 will never add because these two are unlike terms. Already we explained in our algebraic expression. These two number will never add. Now how to add this? First I will bring like terms one side. So 2x, 3x I will bring left side. 3x I am going to bring here left side. Then if I am bringing plus 3x left side, it will become minus 3x. Already plus 15 is there, is equal to minus 20. Now I will send next plus 15 I will send right side. Now it will become 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 20 plus 15 right side minus 15 is equal to, now 2x minus 3x already we learned in our algebraic experiment. 2x minus 3x minus 1x is equal to, if I minus I will get minus 35. Minus minus both the side I can cancel. Value of x is 35. Now up to here it is not the question of okay, find the value of x, we find it out. Suppose they tell that find out the angles, then how you will calculate? So you can calculate, it is written 2x plus 15. Now how you will calculate the value? 2 into 35. 2x means 2 into 35 plus 15 is equal to 2 into 35. 2 into 35 it will become 70 plus 15 is equal to, will be 85 degree. Means what is the value of this one? That is 85 degree. Now it is completed. Now let us move to the next type of question that we can expect in our examination. Next, it is written let it be L, M, let it be N. Now in this type of question it is given as 4x minus 23, it is given as 3x. Find the value of x in this question. Now this and this. Now what I can relate the angle? 3 and 6. Now 3 and 6 which I can say 3 and 6 if I add. Now here we learn 3 and 6 if I add, how much I will get? 180. The process is very simple. Now let us start. Let me indicate the question number 1, question number 2. Now how I will add these two angles? If I add, how much I should get? 180 degree, because already I have the 3 and 6 same side. Now let us start. Then I will start from here. That I will start. What is the angle? 4x minus 23. 4x minus 23. Next value is how much? Plus 3x. Plus 3x is equal to 180. Now 4x, like terms will only add. 4x plus 7x, it will 4x plus 3x, 7x minus 23 is equal to 180. 7x is equal to plus 3 right side, it will go then plus 23 is equal to 7x is equal to, if I add these two terms, how much I will get? 2, 10, 3, 203. I will get an answer. Now 7x means what? 7 into x. 7 is multiplying with x is equal to 203. Now if I multiply, I will send right side, it will become division. Now if I divide it, how much I will get? 7 1 7 to the 47 9 62. What is the value of x? That is 29. Now after that, suppose I need to find out the angle. What are the angles of this one and this one? Because it is written in medieval. How I will solve 4x minus 23? So 4x minus 23. How I will solve 4x? X means how much? 29 minus 23. Now I multiply. 4 9 is 36. 6 carry 3. 4 to 3 are 12, 13, 14, 15. Minus 23. Now what will be the value? 3. Here 3. Here it will be 1. 133. Means this angle will be your 133. Next 3x. What will be the value of 3x? 3x, that is simple. 3 into 29. If I multiply 3 9 27 7 2. 3 to the 6 7 8. Now 87 I got the answer. Now these two angles. If you add these two values, then perfectly you will get 180. Means 133 and 87. Now I hope that you are getting the idea that how to solve it. Now 3 9 27 2. 3 to 6 7 8. Correct. Now let's start solving the next question. Let us solve. Next question, it is written over there. The question is very easy. That will come maximum time in your competitive examination. 104 degree. This value is your x, and this value is 116 degree. Now how to solve this value? Now how to solve that value? The process is very simple. Whenever the two parallel lines it will given the curve, always remember x plus 104 plus 116 is equal to 360. Now if I add these two, how much I will get? X plus, if I add 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1, 2, 220 is equal to 360. Value of x is equal to 360 minus 220. The value of x will be your, it will be your 4, 140. Value of x will be your 140. I hope that you understood how I am solving the question. Means whatever the number is there that you add and you equate with 360. Whatever the number you will get the answer. Now let us solve the next type of question. Same question in another method they can ask in your examination. It is written over there. This is also parallel line L, M. Here they are mentioning 35 degree. Here they are telling the find the value of x. This angle they are telling as 65 degree. Now how to solve this value? How to solve this value? So the process remains same every time. So I told you interior angle. This angle I don't know. Can I take an angle as y? How I am solving this angle? Inside whatever angle I will add. How much I should get? 360. Now let us start. 35 plus y plus 65 is equal to 360. Now 35 plus y plus 35 if I add, I will get 10, 0, 1. It will be your 100 is equal to, sorry, plus y plus 100 is equal to 360. Now after that, suppose I am minusing y is equal to 360 minus 100, then I will get y value, you will get 260. What is the value of y? That is 260. I got the answer. Now after that, since I got the value of y is equal to 260, but what is this? These are complete angle, as you are going to see here. Complete angle. Complete angle is how much degree? 360 degree. So I can write here x plus y is equal to 360. X plus value of y will be 260 is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 260 plus that right side. X is equal to 100 degree. What is the value of x? That will be 100 degree. Now, up to here I hope that you are understanding all the questions clearly. Now let us move to our next question. That is question number 5. It is written in a very nice and beautiful diagram. This parallel line, this one is x. It is mentioned as x. Sorry, it is written as z. It is known as x. This one is x. This side angle it is mentioned 70 degree. This is 90 degree. They mentioned here. They mention as y. Find the value of x, y, z. Now how I will solve that? First straight angle. How much I will get answer? 180 degree. So first I will solve this part. So how much it will be? X plus 70 plus x is equal to 180. X plus 70 plus x is equal to 180. Then I will solve the value. X plus x, 2x plus 70 is equal to 180 is equal to 2x is equal to 180 minus 70. I will get the value 2x is equal to 110 degree. X value if I multiply 110 by 2, value of x I will get here 55 degree. Value of x how much I will get here? 55 degree. 55 degree I got, and this is our right angle triangle. Means how much degree? 90 degree. And this, as you are able to observe here, what is that? Triangle is there. Correct? Now how to solve this? This triangle part, let us start then. Now x is equal to 55 degree I got. Now one more trick is there before solving. Now let us start solving this. Now I can solve by triangle x plus y plus 90. X plus y plus 90 is equal to 180, because interior angle of a triangle that will be a 180 degree. Now what is the value of x? That will be 55 plus y plus 90 is equal to 180. Now next, y, if I add y, 90 I will add here, I will get 14, 145 is equal to 180. Value of y if I will get, then I will get 180 minus 145. If I add, how much I will get? 35 degree. If I subtract, if three angle I will add, I will get 180 degree. Already I know the value of x plus y plus 90. If I add these two value, I will get 9, 10, 14, 145. If I subtract, I got the value of y, that is 35 degree. Now up to here it is clear. X value I got, y value I got 35 degree. Now I need to find out the value of z. I think this is and this is known as parallel line. Now how to solve the parallel line concept? I told you x plus z. Now let us start parallel lines. Parallel lines, interior angle on the same side. What is the property? 3 plus x. 3 plus 6, how much I will get? 180 degree. So I can solve x plus z. X plus z is equal to 180 degree I will get. What is the value of x? Already I found out 55. So I will write here 55 plus z is equal to 180 degree. Z is equal to 180 minus 55. Value of z if I minus, I will get a 5. 7 minus 2, 125. So what is the value of z I got here? 125. What is the value of x? 55. What is the value of y? Let me write here y is equal to 34. Already we solved here. I hope that you understood by taking the example that how I am solving and everything. Straight angle, always remember, suppose I need to solve this straight angle. Angle 5 plus angle 6. It will be 180 degree every time. Angle 5 plus angle 6, 180. 6 plus 7, 180. 5 plus 8, 180 degree. So this type of question you can expect in your examination. So lines and angles up to here it is there. So I hope that you understood. If you have any doubt, you can drop in the chat box. Thank you.